Think of a REST API like a restaurant menu. You don't make up orders, you choose from fixed options like get a salad or a delete an order. REST API work just like that. Structure, clear and reliable. A REST API is a way for web apps to communicate over HTTP. It uses standard method to request or change data and follow predictable rules like ordering of a menu. Just like a menu has clear choice, REST API use specific methods: get to read, post to create, put to update and delete to remove. Everything is neat and predictable. REST is popular because it's simple and universal. Developers love it because they know exactly what to expect, like ordering the same dish anywhere in the world.